Welcome back to the channel, and this new video on how to clean, restore, and waterproof the top on a larger 4-seater car, using Protex products to improve the look and prolong the life of your canvas, fabric, or mohair top. This Mercedes CLK has had a hard life, being parked outside and being used on a regular basis, with the top showing signs of dirt, green mildew, and mold. Start the clean by removing any excess dirt from the hood, using a scrubbing brush, paying particular attention to seams and other areas where dirt and mold may build up. Lightly dampen the top with a fine mist spray. Then brush on the cleaner to one half of the roof and allow to soak in for 5 minutes. Gently scrub the top using hot water, paying particular attention to seams and other areas where dirt and mold may build up. The cleaner, combined with the brushing, really releases the green mildew and mold on the top. Finally, thoroughly rinse the top until the foam is removed. Then leave to dry and repeat if required. At this point, we can now decide whether to use a restorer on the top. In this case, the top is not badly faded, but it does have some jet washer marks. So let's go with the restorer and see how it looks. Shake well and pour into a suitable container. Start in the center and work outwards, applying the restorer quickly and evenly, and leave for 3 hours to dry. Now that the restorer is dry, it is time to apply the waterproofer and protect it from the elements. With a dry top, start in the middle and do the whole top in one go. If any waterproofer is flicked onto the glass or bodywork, remove with a clean microfiber cloth. To keep your top looking good, recommended is waterproofed every 6 months. Once dry, you can see the water beads up nicely, preventing water and dirt ingressing the canvas. Thanks for watching, and tune into the next video when we'll be cleaning and protecting the bodywork using our ceramic care kit. Link below.